Ethan. Here, put him over here. Ethan. Okay, you're good. Right there.
Ethan, over there.
This is your side right here.
Oh, you read the package?
Yeah, yep.
Let's see.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Okay.
That's mine. Who's the American?
You must have fooled Santa because I know you were naughty.
Go ahead and lift it, Ethan.
No. Really?
Whoa, what's in there? What is that? Oh, whoa. You say thank you to Poppy? Yes, Ironhide.
This one I wanted too.
Ethan, do you have your very own blocks now? Whoa.
I'm gonna open this one too.
Open up the rest of your toys first. We could always give them to some other kids, should we?
No.
Alright, just checking. Whoa, what's that? It is? What is it?
It's a toolbox with cars in it.
Whoa, you got your own tools now.
I got another Batman car.
Whoa. Yep.
I think Santa Claus really loves me.
He must. I don't know what you did to get all these presents. I think some of them are from Mommy and Poppy and Nanny. I can't think Santa got you all. No. Ethan. Zach.
Jack, over here, back. Right there.
I know this is Lego. Because I feel like Lego. Because it's Lego.
He got this gift of knowing what things are from me.
It's a card game. I wanted this too.
Really?
Whoa, what'd you get?
No, Lego.
Legos. Whoa. You got a lot of Legos. What'd you get? What is it? Whoa, is it Uno? That's a cool game. You gonna play with all of us later?
Yeah, I want to play with that right now. When I finish it.
And they made me on the heat.
See, look at where Erica got her OCD from. Is that her OCD?
Yeah, good.
Whoa. You want a lot of things, huh? What did you get?
A dinosaur.
Dinosaurs. Cool.
Oh, no, don't take that out. No, bite it.
They'll bite? I don't think they'll bite here.
Smile.
Give us more. Here.
I'm not going to bite. I'm going to look at this one. I know what it is.
What
I'm
is
not going to tell you what I do.
What is it?
I'm going to tell you what I do.
If you tell me what it is, we'll give you $1 billion before you open it. So you already know what it is. Cool. What'd you get? They didn't have cool toys like that when I was a little boy. You know what they had? 2 pieces of wood and a string.
You've been naughty on Christmas Eve.
Hey, Superman, what did you get?
Okay.
Oh, for this one.
Whoa. Your foot okay?
Wait a minute, open another present. You don't love that, don't you?
Hey, this is the same thing.
I don't think it's the same thing. It looks different.
No, I did got this one.
Yeah, but you broke yours. So now you got another one.
Okay, open some more.
Whoa.
What it is? It sounds like Legos.
Does it? Cool, which one is it? No, what's his name? Look at the name on there. What's his name? It's on the top right. What does it say? Top left. Sorry. Starscream. Whoa, what's that, Ethan? Thomas the Train? Ooh, you like that one?